Now for the midday report on KSHN.com. We'll have news in a moment. The BJ Ford Service Department is open Monday through Friday, 7 to 5, and Saturdays, 8 to noon. They're open and ready to help with your automotive needs, from oil changes, tires, and alignments to AC, electrical, and engine repair. BJ Ford staff will keep you rolling, and should you need help with pickup and delivery, call Kelly, Phyllis, or Hope and schedule an appointment. They'll take care of the rest. It's the BJ Ford Service Department, open Monday through Friday, 7 to 5, Saturday, 8 to noon, on Highway 90 in Liberty.
A much-discussed new hospital for the Liberty-Dayton area has taken another step. Bruce Stratton, president of the Liberty County Hospital District No. 1 and president of the Liberty-Dayton Regional Medical Center, says the hospital district commissioned studies on what's needed to keep the process in motion. Mr. Stratton says they have not chosen a new site yet. The district is doing site evaluations in both Liberty and Dayton. Bruce Stratton said they have already been offered one site in Liberty as a gift to get the ball rolling.
The Hopsy Pickett Farm at the corner of 1011 and 146. The Pickett family has offered that for a hospital free of charge.
Mr. Stratton said a site in Dayton is still being researched by the hospital district board. The district president says one thing making it difficult to find a site in Dayton is the condition that a hospital must be within the boundaries of the hospital district. The Dayton city limits have expanded a lot since the hospital district was initially drawn up. Much of the land available in the city of Dayton is outside the district boundaries as they are now. He did point out that if Liberty gets a new hospital, Dayton will get a clinic or vice versa. Bruce Stratton says he would like to see the construction of a new hospital begin within a year or a year and a half. He says he would like to see that construction completed in about 2 years. Stratton cautions the building of a new hospital is still in the planning stages. However, there has already been a lot of work done to date.
The law firm of Mayo and Poland is located in Baytown. Pi Mayo has been a frequent guest on KSHN Radio. His partner, Bryn Poland, are each noted experts speaking often to gatherings about senior citizens issues and people with disabilities for their families and advocates. Mayo was born and raised in Baytown, practicing law in the area for 30 years. Pi Mayo and Bryn Poland provide their expertise on issues facing senior citizens, from long-term care to estate planning. Bryn Poland also specializes in senior citizen issues with Pi Mayo. Mr. Mayo has built a national reputation in this field. Check the website, mayopoland.com, or call 281-421-5774. That's mayopoland.com.
With a cost of $680,000-ish, the City of Liberty Fire Department is rolling out their new firefighting apparatus, a 75-foot ladder truck. Liberty Fire Chief Brian Hurst said his fire crews are training on this great new truck. This big boy will be the first truck out for every fire call that the department responds to. The length of the ladder will, according to Chief Hurst, allow firefighters to get above structure fires without putting a firefighter on the roof.
It's good for anything that's reach, as in height reach is concerned, or reach out. So say you have a house fire and the roof is totally involved, you have a big, huge fire, and you need to get out there and you just don't have any other way to do it, this will reach out there 75 feet and allow that water to go straight. You have a Walmart store that's huge. I mean, that building's huge. Courthouse is huge. Several other buildings.
Liberty Fire Department Truck 24 will be retired once the new 75-foot ladder truck is fully outfitted and ready for service. The new Pierce chassis will be Unit 21 and should be soon ready to respond to calls.
When you get a prescription for eyeglasses, TSO and Liberty offers a great selection of frame styles, including designer frames such as Costa, Vera Bradley, Joseph Abboud, and other great brand names for a wide variety of lifestyles and budgets. At TSO, their staff is uniquely qualified to assist you in making the right eyewear choices so that when you go home, you have a great look and, more importantly, great vision. Visit TSO. They're at 2718 North Main Street, across from the old Walmart in Liberty.
More than 86 burglaries may be solved. Investigators with the Liberty County Sheriff's Office are seeking the public's help in locating an alleged husband and wife burglary team operating in the Plum Grove, North Liberty County area from 2016 to early 2020. A burglary of a habitation warrant has been issued for Rolando Pena, age 26, as well as a felony theft warrant for his wife, Gloria Janeth Govea Martinez, 23. According to Criminal Investigation Division Commander Captain Billy Knox, it was some very intensive investigative work by lead investigator Mark Ellington that resulted in not only identifying the two suspects, but has also resulted in the recovery of over $20,000 of stolen property, of which most has been returned to the rightful owner. Sheriff's Captain Billy Knox said a total of 86 burglary cases and theft cases have thus far been cleared, with perhaps a total of 100 by the time the investigation is completed. Other cases are being looked at, and possibly even other jurisdictions may be involved. It appears the wanted couple may have been selling their ill-gotten gains on the internet, covering a period back to 2016 when they first allegedly began their crime sweep. As the investigation continues to determine if there may be additional charges, perhaps other individuals involved, the Sheriff's Office is asking for public's assistance in locating this husband and wife burglary team. Anyone with information is being asked to call the Liberty County Sheriff's Office at 936-336-4500 or the Multi-County Crime Stoppers Organization at 1-800-392-STOP. That's 1-800-392-7867, where a cash reward may be available, and the identity of the person calling in tips will remain anonymous.
Hello?
Yeah, I'd like to update my insurance policy and see if I can save. Are you there?
Sorry, my hands are tied. Literally, I work for one provider.
Oh.
If your insurance agent is tied down, are you sure you're getting the right price or coverage? Trusted Choice independent agents have the freedom to competitively shop many providers to find you great prices on the coverage options you need.
See your local Trusted Choice agents at Scarpa Insurance Agency. Call 936-258-5613 to discover agents committed to giving you a choice.
At Houston Methodist Baytown Hospital, has been the highest priority the last 2 months. However, they are trying to expand now to other services. They never stopped caring for thousands of patients who needed urgent and emergency care, essential surgeries, and hospitalization. That never stopped. To expand that now, Houston Methodist Baytown Hospital is caring for patients both in person and virtually, with all healthcare services available. Their physicians are available for both virtual visits and appointments. All patients and staff are screened for symptoms and exposure risk. Houston Methodist Baytown Hospital is minimizing the number of patients they see daily and expanding their virtual services. Houston Methodist Baytown staff are wearing personal protective equipment, providing patient care. Chairs in waiting rooms and check-in lines have been reshaped to ensure social distancing. All patients Remember, at the Houston Methodist Hospital, they are still adhering to strict essential visitor-only policy. At Houston Methodist Baytown Hospital, methodist.org/Baytown or call 281-428-2273. If you don't have a doctor, a Houston Methodist virtual urgent care provider will help you 24/7 from a My Methodist app or by finding /Baytown.
Trinity Glass and Mirror, 1310 North Main Liberty, locally owned and operated since 2004 by Chris Williamson, has been a leader in residential, commercial, and auto glass in Liberty and surrounding areas. Whether it's auto glass, shower doors, mirrors, and all types of window glass for top quality, dependability, and expert service, the first name on the list is Trinity Glass and Mirror. They're the glass guys, and they're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, or call 936-336-3742. Trinity Glass and Mirror, all major credit cards accepted.
On Sunday, Stage Stores Incorporated, parent company at Palais Royal, filed for bankruptcy protection. A Stage Stores spokesperson says they are seeking a buyer for the company and at the same time will begin liquidation. Last year, we reported the Palais Royal store in Liberty was going to become a Gordman store. That's an off-price retail store similar to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Ross stores. With this bankruptcy filing, that conversion will not happen. Many of the stores, including the Palais Royal and Liberty, have been closed. The Liberty store will reopen this Friday. Stage Stores officials say they will accept gift cards and returns for 30 days after a store reopens. After that 30-day period, they will no longer honor gift cards or other customer programs, including returns. Stage Stores closed all of their 738 stores in late March due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The company spokesperson says because of the temporary closure, they were not able to get the financing needed to continue operations.
Internet Management Services has been providing quality internet connections in these parts for over 15 years, and we've pioneered some great ideas. We introduced wireless internet service into the area. We offered our services with no contract, and we tried to make the internet make incentive. Partner, some of our ideas were ahead of their time. Internet Management Services, your common sense connection for reliable internet access. 936-336-8540.
You've been listening to the Midday Report of the News on KSHN.com.